Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to change Wi-Fi network name in the TP-Link Router Archer C80. First thing you need to do is to open the web browser. You can use Chrome or Firefox or Safari or whatever you want, and then input in the address field of the web browser the IP address of 192.168.0.1, and you should see the screen like this. Now you need to input the password. Now click on the advanced. Now click on the wireless settings. And there you have the name of the network. It's 2.4 GHz and it's for 5 GHz network. Input a new name. And click on the save to confirm everything. Okay, now the Wi-Fi password name, Wi-Fi network name is changed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.